Hi there, welcome to Hidden Crown. One of our most amazing products that we offer is the Crown Topper Extension. This extension is worn on the top or crown of your head to give you instant natural looking volume. The one downfall to this extension is that it can be very intimidating to most women that aren't familiar with hair extensions or haven't worn a hair extension on the top of their head. So I'm going to go ahead and go over a few things with you to give you a better idea of how this extension works. I will answer a few commonly asked questions and show you a couple different ways of how to wear this extension. Okay, so there are several different ways that you can wear your crown topper. You have to play around with it and figure out which way it will look the most natural on you and which way you will like it the most. Because everybody's head shape's different, everybody has different types of hair, so some of you may need to wear it closer to the hairline if you're thinning or have hair loss. And some of you, if you just need volume on the back, you can wear it on the crown of your head. So I'm gonna show you the different ways of how you can wear it. So when you take your crown topper out of the package, you do have to fluff it like I've mentioned. And when you first take it out, you're gonna notice that the parting is lined up vertically. So this way is the longest measurement from this clip to this clip. It's more of a vertical option of wearing. Now, I prefer actually my favorite way to move the parting in it to where I wear it like this. This is for those of you that need more volume on the sides of your head opposed to the crown and front. I feel like this way on me looks the most natural, and I love the way it looks and gives me instant natural volume in the areas that I need. But you just have to play around with it and find out which way is gonna work best for you and the way you like it. So I'm gonna first show you how to put it on in the vertical way. Now, it doesn't give too much of a difference, so I'm not gonna be showing this way just because I'd have to change the parting on it and it would just be a lot. So you can watch the video on how to change the parting and you'll see me put it on in that fashion. But I'm gonna show you the different ways around the head that you can wear it in the vertical position. So starting out, my favorite way to wear this is about 1 inch from my hairline. So from here to here. So I just grab my Hidden Crown rat tail comb and I grab the section of hair that the front clip is going to grab onto and hold on to. And you wanna make sure that you're lining up the parting with your parting. That's how you're gonna get it the most natural. As well as what you just saw me do is push down my hair with the rat tail comb in a teasing fashion to where I created this cushion of hair right in the rooting. Now, it's very important that if you do this and the cushion is above your scalp and your rooting area, then the crown topper is gonna clip on and it's gonna be raised up. What you want to do is to get this edge as flat and flush to your scalp as possible. That's how it's gonna look the most natural. So doing that, I first created a cushion right near the scalp. I'm then going to line my parting up with mine, so right about there. So when you flip this clip up, you're gonna see where it's gonna grab onto. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to scoop that clip into the rooting of my hair. Just like that. So see how flush it is to my scalp? And then you just go ahead and put the rest of the clips on. And we do have videos that go more in depth and detail and more zoomed in shots of how to properly put on your crown topper. So I just went over that real quick. Now I'm just gonna go through the different ways of wearing it. So this is my favorite placement to wear mine. It looks very natural on me and it just gives me the volume where I need it. And I love it, and it looks super natural. No one can ever tell. So the next option of wearing it is by covering all of your front hair. So if you're someone with hair loss or thinning, or just you don't want to have your hair showing at all because of the color, then this placement would be for you. So I have taken this part and teased it, And what I'm gonna do is clip on the crown topper directly to that, to where it's flush with my hairline, just like so. Now, this for me, because I have such a large forehead, I tend to like more like of a sweeping bang, and so I do have a crown topper that I do have bangs in if I wanted to wear it covering all my hair like this. But everybody's different, everybody's head shape, so if this is the way you wanna rock it, then do so. Okay, and so the last placement I'm gonna show you is back on the crown. So if you're someone who just needs a little extra volume back here for the day, or even just for a specific type of updo or special hairstyle, this would be the placement for you. Now I've teased my section where I'm gonna clip it to. Keep in mind that the parting is not lined up, because this type of placement, you're going to kind of shuffle your hair kind of over it so that it's just giving you that extra volume in the back crown area. So see that? And it's still hidden. One of the most common questions we get regarding our crown topper extension is whether or not the base is a silk base topper or not. Our crown toppers are not silk base. They are a monofilament base that is very, very pliable. It's very breathable and very comfortable. The reason why we have this monofilament base is because it's the most cost-effective for you. A silk-based topper is very, very costly, and we want to provide the most affordable, high-quality extension for you. Many women, when they first receive their crown topper in the mail, they instantly worry about the base and what shows in the parting of the hair, how it comes in package. What you will see in person right in front of you to the naked eye is the little tiny dots where the hair strands have been hand tied to the base. Now you can see these more so with the non-rooted crown toppers, but you can also see them with the rooted crown toppers as well. Now, when you have the extension in front of you and you're looking at the base, it's much more noticeable in front of you. When you wear the actual crown topper, which I'm actually wearing one right now, and who knows if you could tell or not, but everybody that sees me in person can never tell what type of extension I am wearing. They always ask, which one are you wearing today? So when the extension is actually on top of your head, keep in mind that it's very, very pliable and see-through. So with that said, when you wear it on top of your head, your hair and your scalp lay underneath the entire extension. So the color of your scalp and the color of your hair act as like a shadow underneath the extension itself. So you no longer see those little tiny dots, and you don't see like how thin your hair is, because it's being completely covered by the extension, but your hair and scalp act as a shadow somewhat underneath, and it looks very, very natural. And right now, my roots don't even match my crown topper rooting, but they're close. It's just the way that I wear it, it just looks shadowed naturally. It's amazing. Okay, so when you receive your crown topper in the mail, you're going to see that it comes in this really pretty box, and it is magnetic closure. And it's a really nice box to be able to store it in when you're not using it or if you're traveling. When you first take it out of the box, it's going to have a netting around it, and it's also gonna have the plastic insert that keeps the shape of it. So removing the netting, so you're gonna find an extension that has maybe, a bend in it, it has like a wave, it has a weird parting that makes it look like it's missing hair or too thin in one area. Now this is caused from the shipping phase. So the greatest thing about the crown toppers are that they're handmade. So every single hair strand is hand tied onto this base. They actually take about a week total to make one by hand. So with the way that it's tied onto the mesh backing, that means that you can redirect the hair however which way you want it to. So if you didn't want this middle part, no problem. You can change the parting to be anywhere you want. And we also have a video tutorial on how to do so with further details, walking you through it from step by step on how to retrain the parting for yourself. So that goes with these, these shipping parts. I call them the shipping partings because it happens during the shipping phase, and all you need to do is wet it and blow dry it and redirect the hair the way you want it to go, or however it looks the most natural for you. So that goes for the rest of it too. You can lightly spray it, or you can straighten or curl it. You have to fluff these up. These are not hair extensions that come straight out of the package and you can just plop it on your head and it look perfect. You definitely have to work with these because they're worn on the top of your head. They're not being hidden under layers of your own hair to where you can hide imperfections that aren't really that important. So with it being worn on the top of your head, you have to work with it, fluff it up, which we have videos on how to do that. We're gonna go ahead and add those links at the end of this video, so make sure that you check those out. We highly, highly, highly advise for anyone interested in our crown topper extension to watch those videos so that you are prepared when you receive yours to be able to make it work the most easiest, quickest, and the most natural on you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video to be very helpful. Make sure to check out these other videos here that are in correlation to the video you just watched. And our YouTube channel is here for you as 24/7 support on everything you need to know about owning and wearing a hidden crown hair extension. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com. And we love seeing your photos on social media, so make sure to tag us on one of the social media platforms below.